Bullet points and numbered lists. Unpacking email etiquette. Hello, learners. Today we're diving into a critical part of email etiquette, the use of bullet points and numbered lists. Proper formatting can dramatically improve the clarity and effectiveness of your emails. Let's explore how you can effectively use these tools to enhance your email writing skills. When it comes to email writing, bullet points and numbered lists serve a crucial role. They help to organize information clearly and concisely. This, in turn, makes it easier for your recipient to understand and respond to your email. Here's why. 1. Ease of reading. Bullet points and numbered lists break up large chunks of text, making your email easier to digest. 2. Clarity. They clearly separate different points or steps, reducing the risk of confusion. 3. Efficiency. They allow the reader to quickly identify key information, saving time and improving comprehension. Now, let's discuss when to use bullet points versus numbered lists. Bullet points. Use bullet points when the order of the items doesn't matter. They're great for listing ideas, features, or reasons without a specific sequence. Numbered lists. Use numbered lists when the order is important. They're perfect for instructions, steps, or a series of events that should be followed in a specific order. Understanding when to use each will enhance your email communication significantly. Here are some best practices to keep in mind while using bullet points and numbered lists in your emails. 1. Keep it concise. Try to keep your points brief and to the point. Long-winded bullet points or list items can defeat the purpose of using them in the first place. 2. Parallel structure. Maintain the same grammatical form for all items within a list. If one point starts with a verb, they all should. 3. Consistent formatting. Ensure that the layout of your lists remains consistent throughout the email. Following these guidelines will make your emails clear, professional, and easy to understand. That wraps up our discussion on using bullet points and numbered lists in email writing. We hope this lesson has provided you with useful tools to enhance your email etiquette. Remember, the goal is always clarity and understanding. By using bullet points and numbered lists effectively, you can make your emails easier to read and more engaging. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.